These daggone tuberoses will not stop blooming. We have 3 rows, and I mean, we've cut hundreds already, more coming up. So we're downsizing our tuberose garden for next year. We just have too many. So the hummingbirds surely love them. And let's ask this bee what he thinks. What do you say there, buddy boy? Are you for tuberoses or against tuberoses? Oh, there you go. He's kind of interesting. He looks like he's just kind of hanging out. Look at, oh my goodness. You can see his little, oh, these are so cool, y'all. They're good to see on these white flowers, are they? Anyway, here we are. I see some more bad black bumblebees down there. Tuberoses are pretty daggone productive.